Good evening and welcome to today's daily market update from Time Price Analysis. This has been recorded 15 minutes before the close of the US markets on Monday the 10th of June. Okay, so the US indices pushed up a little further today. We got that gap up on the open that we were expecting, pulled back a little and then ground slightly higher. So I do think I think we're approaching, if we haven't hit it already today, the top of the B wave, and we're going to get the C of A down next, into the 2500s, ideally in the S&P 500. But if we come down to the hourly chart, what we were looking for yesterday, we did the weekend update. We got the gap up in the futures, which we were pretty certain we were going to get, and then we've carried on higher, and we've hit the 786 retrace of this entire leg down at today's high, and we've started to come off. Now we do need to get back below here in the S&P 500 to rule out the idea that that's a wave one and we get a 2 and subdivide higher, which I really don't want to see at this point in time. Now what I'm still showing on the site charts is this, which is we get a B and then a C and then we go. And please don't rule that out. I'm just going to take you back here. Where are we? Yeah. This is the 2015 correction. And there was the top. That was the 3 of 3. And we got the A, B, C down. So that in effect is the equivalent of the December 2018 low. We got an A, B, C back up to almost a double top. Then we got this, which is the equivalent of the move we just had into last Monday's low. Then we got this, a high retrace, a pullback that almost double bottomed, and then just about a double top before we let go. This is a wave 4 at primary degree. We're now in a B wave within a fractal, within a wave 4 at primary degree. It is going to be bloody awkward. So do not assume anything as we're trading this all along the way. So that's just a kind of a warning. Now, as those of you that have been following along in the live room today know, I'm pretty heavily short here. I've got a full position short in ES futures. I bought TIVX today, and I also bought shares in SDS today. SDS is up, TIVX shares are up, and I'm up slightly in my position in the ES, and I intend to double those positions on 5 down 3 back, and then tightly manage them, but I'm looking for at least a move down here to the 27.65 and possibly 27.48, and that if we get the bloody awkward move in this pattern, but ideally I'm looking for a 1.0 extension or more of this leg down, which I'm showing in my ES chart, so they'll be out tomorrow morning, but it projects down to around 2660 or deeper, hence the positioning that I have in the S&P 500. So NDX